How to track order on AliExpress. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to easily track your order on AliExpress. If you've made a purchase and want to keep an eye on where your package is, this video is for you, so let's get started. First, open your AliExpress website, or you can go to AliExpress app also, and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, as you can see various options, simply go to My Orders and tap on View All. Here you can find all the orders that you have placed. Just scroll through your list of orders and find the one you want to track. You'll see the order details including the current status of the item. Just next to your order, you should see a track order button or link. Tap it to view the real-time shipping information. This will show you the shipping carrier, tracking number, and current location of your package. And that's it. That's how you simply track your order.